my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around.
So I mixed 3 shades of foundation together. I mean Maybelline foundation and then Nova Beauty with NYS foundation. I mixed the 3 foundation together to get this very shade. So you need a foundation that can match your skin tone very well. Understand? So this actually match more better. I cannot get exact foundation like this shade. That is why I mix 3 together. So you can just mix foundation together. Depend on how your shade are. As in, you see this side I'm not able to apply foundation a bit. Understand? So you see this other side. So it's hard to get exactly the same thing. Understand? So I need a shade that is a bit darker than it. Understand? Okay guys, so after that I'm highlighting right now using the ageless concealer to highlight my face. Understand? The ageless concealer palette, that palette have a lot of shade in there. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you to see. They have a lot of shade, so I didn't use I can't really say that okay I use one shade. I think I mixed 2 shades together to get this color, to get this very shade I'm using to highlight my face right now. So I'm using that it's not too bright. Understand? It's just a bit lighter than my foundation, just a bit. Understand? Not too light, know what I mean? Okay, so make sure you highlight your face very well before you blend it out. Like, just apply the concealer how you want it to be. If you don't like plenty concealer, don't put much. If you like, you just like applying much concealer, do what you love. Just do what you love. I'm using the Nova Beauty right now to highlight my under eye, to just brighten the under eye. Understand? Then I'm blending. Make sure when you are blending you don't have too much product in your beauty blender. If you have too much product in your beauty blender, it's gonna rule everything. Like, it's gonna be moving the concealer, let me use that word. Understand? So just make sure that you have excess product in your beauty blender. Then after that, I make sure that you blend the dark shade before you go into the light tone. The light tone I'm just using to brighten it. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. If you're a beginner, you will not understand right now, but look at what I'm doing. Okay, just look at it. After blending the dark one, I blend the light one. Now you just see that you just bring light under there. Okay, so when you are setting, I'm gonna set my face right now with my banana setting powder to just set my face. So when you are setting, I'm using my banana setting powder to just set my face. Understand? So after setting, I'm gonna go into my cream brush right now. I don't have a cream brush, so I'm using my lipstick, my red lipstick, to as my cream brush. Understand? To just blend as my brush, not to blend. Then after applying it, you make sure you blend it out. So I'm blending it out right now. Understand? But I made a mistake over here, as in the brush is not supposed to get my hairline. So in the process of blending, I made sure that I made a mistake that, like, I bring it too closer to my hairline, of which is not supposed to be so. Please don't bring it up, like in the process of blending, don't bring it up. But later on, I correct that mistake anyway. So I noticed that the brush is not really showing that much. I wanted to get to my cheekbone, so I apply little, understand, to just make it rise a bit. Like, brush now, like I'm brushing, that kind of a thing when you're smiling. Understand? So that is why I bring it up a bit, just blend it. Are you seeing the difference right now? Like, are you seeing the difference right now, babe? You just make that part to be big right now. Like, that is what I want anyway. So I'm contouring using my eyeshadow palette to contour my face. Understand? Actually, you can use your eyeshadow palette to just contour any shade that look like contour over there. They are the same powders. Powder, contour is powder, eyeshadow is powder. Understand? Just that it make the eyeshadow to be more pigmented. So when you are using eyeshadow, just make sure that you do not just go to like 2 arms with it, like just very little when you are using it to contour your face, or using it as a brush or anything at all. But don't use it as your powder. That is not powder. Anyway, so I use it to contour my face. Then I'm setting all over my face with my, I can't really remember the name of the setting powder. I can't really remember. So but now so when it comes to eyebrow, I'm using the David eyebrow pencil to just draw my eyebrow. Understand? This is gonna be shade 3, I think so. Not shade 18, because shade 18 will be lighter than this. So I've used the shade 3 to just draw the eyebrow. Understand? Your eyebrow, please. you mustn't take it to personal. Sometimes it come out right, sometimes it don't come out right. Sometimes I pray about my makeup set anyway. It's good to pray about your makeup. Like I pray sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, God, Holy Spirit, help me, let this makeup come out right. The day I refuse to pray, the makeup will not come out the way I want it. So I always pray for everything. Like I pray for everything. Let grace speak for me. So then after after drawing my eyebrow, I use my spoolie to just brush the edges out. I don't want it to be too, okay, this is where the eyebrow started from. No, I don't want to be that. I like it faded. Understand? So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just fading it up. Then I'm lighting using the Nova Beauty concealer, a lighter shade and a darker shade. I can't really remember the very shade that I use for the Nova Beauty, but you can actually still use the ageless concealer. But something about ageless concealer, I don't like using to highlight my face unless I warm it up and mix it with a bit of foundation. Understand? Because that concealer is a bit creamy. It's creamy. I've not really get it, and it's not full coverage. So when you are highlighting your under eye, you want it to be your eyebrow. You want to use a concealer that is full coverage. Understand? So that is why I did use the Nova Beauty, the ageless concealer to highlight my under eye. So I'm using the Nova Beauty right now. So when it comes to these edges like this, I'm using my foundation, the foundation that I used to highlight my face. Understand? The one that I used to apply on my face, the leftover, to the edges, the in and the out. So for the middle, I want it to be a bit bright, so I use the brighter shade of that Nova Beauty. Understand? So that is what I did over there. So you just work with what you have. Don't go and buy expensive products because I use this product. That means this product works for you. Use what works for you. So for the top part, I'm using the Ezekiel foundation and Nova Beauty foundation. So I mix the two shades together to get this. Understand? So when you are lighting the top part of your eyebrow, make sure you use a shade that is a bit closer to your skin too, like a bit lighter. Understand? So the two shade is a bit lighter. That is why I'm using it to highlight my top part of the eyebrow. Okay. So I'm just blending the concealer that I used to highlight my eyebrow. Understand? Then after that, I set it with my powder palette using the Ezekiel powder palette to just set the shade. You can actually use any powder palette that you have. Understand? To just set it. Understand? That is what I'm doing right now. I'm just setting it using that shade to just test the concealer. Please, if you are watching this video and you don't like me making voiceover, just let me know. Let me just send me. Let me know. I want to know if you like voiceover or if you don't like voiceover. I can just play music and you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm more concerned about you that is watching, not me making the voiceover. So I'm just trying this method. If you like it, anybody comment that I don't like it, I'll stop doing it. But if you say okay, you like it, I will do it. So I'm using my, what is it called? Is it okay? My setting powder, I use a light shade and a bit dark shade, banana setting powder, and that other one is Sasha Buttercup. Understand? The other one is light because it's my under eye. You want it to be bright, and to do a reverse contour, you want to use a shade that is closer to your normal foundation, as in your normal powder shade. You understand? So after that, right now I'm going to my eyeshadow. I'm not going to explain this. I'm priming my eyeshadow using my eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelid right now. So please watch and learn. Okay, thank you very much.
준비하지 못한
to lipstick. Any lipstick can do the job for you. You must not get the one that I use. Like any lipstick can do the job for you. Understand? So I know the makeup you see in the video, as in the thumbnail, is different from the one you're seeing over here. It's not different, darling. That one is already be edited. I've already edited that picture. That is why it's looking that bump. You know, that kind of a thing. I can't go anywhere with that kind of bold makeup look. Where am I going? I'm not celebrating my birthday. It's not my birthday. You know, that kind of a thing. If it's too bold like that, it's too flawless like that, you even feel tired. Everybody, all eyes will be on you. If you're walking by, they'll be on you. All eyes will be on you. It's not mature. It's for those children. Unless you're celebrating anything and you are the celebrant. If not, don't go and do heavy makeup like that to go and visit a friend. All eyes will be on you, please. So something about makeup is editing. In the way you edit your pictures. There are two different things about makeup, two different categories I see about makeup. If it's not a marriage makeup, it's not always that. It's as long as the makeup is flawless. And that is what you are going to get in this video. The makeup is going to be flawless, but it's not too heavy. You know, that kind of a thing. The difference between makeup is flawless and it's very heavy. Are you seeing it now? Hair and good clothes change everything. Are you just seeing the difference right now? I'm just applying my highlighter. Understand? So after applying my highlighter, you will just see the transformation. Babe, it's not difficult. Makeup is not difficult. It's just something that you can just go anywhere with. Simple look. Like I make a video from this makeup with like marriage talk, like talking like this. I know that video is kind of boring to me, but I know it's so nice. Like I just sit down juice with you guys. Understand? So I'm using a lighter, as in a lighter. That is highlighter anyways. Like a white shade to just brighten my under eye. Just brighten my, I don't know, it's called collarbone or something. I don't know what it's called. So voila, I'm done with the makeup. Okay, so just rate this makeup. Let me know what you think. Please, if you watch to this point, just be my family, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Let me know what you think. You see, if you watch to this point, that means you just love me or you love the video. That's why. And please subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be so grateful to see your comments. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Like, thank you so much. Are you seeing my smile? Are you seeing my smile? When I smile, is the makeup not simple, touch not flawless? That is what I mean by flawless. Okay, bye.